Hi, my name is Chris Noble. I'm an independent IT consultant. My website is www.doglikehorse.com. I'm here to talk to you about how to copy DVDs. Things you'll need for this are a computer, a DVD copying drive, a blank DVD, and a source DVD. First thing you'll need to do is to put the DVD you wish to copy in your computer. Now, if it's a video DVD, the likelihood is that you'll have a DVD player that will automatically open. So you'll need to close and quit out of that DVD application. The next thing you'll need to do is to open the DVD burning software on your computer. We're using a Mac and we're going to be using Toast Titanium today. Once you open Toast or your burning software, there should be a very easy setting which says Copy DVD. In this case, we just hit Disk Copy and hit the red Burn button. The program will then go away and burn a copy of the DVD. Halfway through, it will ask you to take out the source DVD and put in a blank DVD. Once the DVD burning software has completed, it should eject the DVD. Then you can take the DVD, label it, do whatever you wish, and put it in a secure location. My name is Chris Noble. Thanks for watching this video on how to burn DVDs.